This is our PVS-31. Now you can see this. Let me introduce what we have in the safety box. Okay. This is the soft helmet and the bracket. And this is the battery cable. And now we can say, yeah, this is what you want. This is PVS-31 and the FOM is 1400. And later I will show you the image. Now I have a PVS-31 in my hand and I found a staircase to test the sample to you. Now I have a battery in my hand and you can look at it. There is a signal. Okay, you can just put the battery into it and cover it. But you need to pay attention to that. This is FOM 1400. The PVS-31 doesn't have the auto gating, so you need to pay attention to the strong light. The strong light will destroy its performance. Okay, I will show you the image. Okay. Now I'm in the staircase. It's very dark, right? Now I will show you the image of the FOM 1400 PVS-31 and it's a green phosphor. Okay, we can say it's very dark, right? Okay, now we can say, yeah, this is a beautiful girl, right? Hi. Okay, she's very beautiful and sunshine, right? Okay, now we can say the characteristics in the fire hydrant box is very clear, right? We can see the details of the box. Okay, now there are two eyepieces. Okay. Yeah, we can say we are on the 4th floor, right?